So question number 3, how do we water sand, especially in California, Arizona, and Florida that has become hydrophobic? So hydrophobic means when you water it, the water just runs off the sides. It's not soaking down in. Really good question. Now this happens in pots. This happens in the ground. So it can be a challenge, especially right now when we're in a drought. So strategy number 1, water a little bit, walk away. Water a little bit, walk away. Let the water barely soak in. I mean, I'm talking it'll soak in an eighth of an inch the first 3, 4, 5 times that you water. Now you can speed that up by adding a surfactant, fancy name for soap. I use Basic H. You could use 7th generation, no scents, no fragrances. You could use Dr. Bronner's would be a great choice. A few drops, and that surfactant is going to help that water soak into the soil. Basically, that means the soap makes the water wetter. That's basically boiling it down. The second thing that you can do to helping that hydrophobic soil is by adding organic matter, which I think, yes, that actually leads into question 4. So I would say let's stop question number 3 is we're adding either we're watering slowly, adding a surfactant, or we're adding organic matter to the soil.